murder trial of the teenager accused of killing his schoolmate could be delayed. Defense attorneys for Aiden Fucci could be filing an emergency order to a higher court. Fucci's trial is set to start Monday. The judge denied a motion filed by his lawyer yesterday to delay the trial.
Fucci's accused of killing his 13-year-old schoolmate, Tristan Bailey, in May of 2021. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker joining us live. Marilyn, you spoke with defense attorneys not affiliated with this case about the strategy before trial.
I did, and those defense attorneys tells me if this was their case, they'd be filing that emergency writ. If a higher court finds that Aiden Fucci is entitled to a 12-person jury, it could delay this trial for many months.
We're watching case dockets closely. Aiden Fucci's defense lawyers are trying to delay his murder trial. They're doing it by way of the 5th District Court of Appeals.
There's not much that they can do without a higher court order requiring that the trial be stayed pending the appeal.
Criminal defense attorney Lee Lockett says there's still time for the defense to file what's called an emergency writ. We're days away from jury selection, and Fucci's defense counsel argues he's entitled to a 12-person jury. Despite the judge ruling, it will be 6.
So we know about the continuance the defense filed Wednesday morning, but this is the petition for writ that they filed with the 5th District Court of Appeals Tuesday. It backs up the defense's argument that Aiden Fucci has a right to a 12-person jury. Why? Because this is a trial for capital first-degree murder.
This court from proceeding.
Circuit Judge Lee Smith and attorneys for both sides stated case law supporting their arguments. The state's motion was written based on Walling v. State, which says the defendant was not entitled to 12-person juries because he was a juvenile. The defense references State v. Poole, which says a 12-person jury is required for first-degree murder unless waived by the defense, and a 12-person jury is required even when the prosecution waived the death penalty.
The court in Poole sided with the defense because they said that it's not up to the prosecutor or the trial judge to determine who gets a 12-person jury. The challenge, though, that the defense is going to have on appeal, I suspect, is that Walling is more on point because it dealt with a juvenile case. But this is something that the appellate judge is going to have to sort out.
Judge Smith says there would be no harm that would prevent the court from having the trial, but the defense says having a 6-person jury departs from the law requirements, and the harm to their client can't be remedied on appeal.
For now, jury selection is still set for Monday. The timeline for the motion to the 5th District Court of Appeals is about 30 days, but that's just for the briefing. We've been checking the court filings. Nothing new today, but if we see any updates, we'll let you know on news4jax.com. Reporting live, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.